So very quick announcement. We have made the change we've been talking about. So for the last almost, I would say 2 to 3 months, we've been talking about how we plan to reduce the discount. So as you know, when we launched Token Metrics back on Black Friday in November 29th, 2019, we basically told our audience we would be giving a 50% lifetime discount to anybody who joins the annual plan, right? So we have given people a very, very long time to sign up, but unfortunately, we are building a business and we can't have a promo that lasts forever and ever. Okay, so unfortunately, the promotion is over, right? So now it's finally over. There is no 50% lifetime discount anymore if you join the annual plan. So for those of you who maybe missed out, who have been contacting customer support, unfortunately, we're sorry, but we have been giving ample warning and kind of alerts telling people that this change was coming. The good news is we still do have a promo available. This time, as opposed to getting half off, you basically get 25% off lifetime discount. Now, this is a promo as well. This is also a limited time promotion as well. So if you have been on the fence and you missed the 50% lifetime discount, you probably should get on now because Token Metrics is blowing up. Just kind of for transparency, first of all, thank you to all our crypto family out there. We cannot do anything that we do without you, right? So we mentioned back in July, Token Metrics grew 61% that month based on customers. And this month we can announce that Token Metrics, the month is not even over yet. We have doubled this month. We have grown over 100% this month already. So first of all, thank you, crypto family. You guys, I mean, we do what we do because of you. As you all know, we are trying to take everybody to the moon and beyond. Not just us, but all of us, right? Crypto family, Token Metrics family, want to take everyone to the moon and beyond. That's why I'm here on a weekend. That's why Bill is here on a weekend. All of us could be anywhere in the world, right? All of us could just be doing yield farming. We could be playing video games. We could be with our loved ones. We could do whatever we want. But we are here with you on a Sunday, putting in the work, the blood, sweat, and tears, because we want to not just go to the moon, but we want to take everybody to the moon, right? So if you missed out, there's still one last call, basically, until the discount is gone. So as mentioned, discount has now decreased from 50% to 25%. One other update we have is this still applies to the affiliate program. So anybody out there, if you're an affiliate, first of all, shout out to all the affiliates out there. We now have over 2,000 affiliates. I mean, that's incredible. In less than 1 year, we have over 2,000 affiliates. Our top affiliates, the creme de la creme, are making 5 to 10 grand a month. So next month, there'll be some fact checks being sent by me personally to our top affiliates. So if you haven't yet joined, be sure to join, right? Then one last update as well. So as mentioned before, the free trial is also gone. So unfortunately, that promo could not last forever. However, the good news is we still do have now a paid discounted trial. So as opposed to having a 14-day free trial, the new promo is you can try the hodl plan for basically $2 for 1 week, or the investor plan for 1 week for $5, right? So it's still very, very affordable. So as opposed to paying the monthly pricing, you still have the chance to try it out for 1 week, see if you like it, right? As opposed to having to pay the full amount, right? So this kind of still keeps it good for people who want to kind of try out the platform. All right. With that being said, Bill, any comments on any of that?
Well, I obviously want to express gratitude to our audience because without you, it's just me and Ian talking on Zoom. And I also agree with what you said. I have thought this my whole career. Any technical analyst worth his salt gets up in the morning and says, how can I help other people? Seriously. So I want to help you. We want to help you. And there's no limit on the bus to the moon.
Rocket ship to the moon. Rocket ship.
Rocket ship to the moon. Rocket ship.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Bill. Thank you.